Jared.
Hey, Jeff.
So this is your restaurant, Eat.
Yeah, we serve casual Cajun food.
So what kinds of things do y'all like to do?
We like to bike around the city, the Lafitte Greenway.
We watch movies at the Broad Theater.
It must be so great to live around all these beautiful buildings.
Would you like to take a walk to go and see some? You know what? I'm actually heading to a cooking demonstration.
Well, Jared, I'm really not much of a chef, but Varla is.
Welcome to New Orleans School of Cooking. Are you ready to help me make some gumbo?
Jesus! You know if they have a Band-Aid? When do we put the meat in?
I was just getting to that. And then we'll let this simmer for a few hours.
Delicious. I'm Varla Merman. And one time in New Orleans,
I whipped up a gumbo with a queen.
and I learned I really shouldn't handle sharp objects.